the finest furniture destination of Tamil Nadu, Newman's Furniture and Homestyle, Coimbatore.
தமிழக சட்டமன்ற தேர்தலையொட்டி பிரதமர் மோடி தமிழகம் வந்துள்ளார். தாராபுரம் பொதுக்கூட்டத்தில் பங்கேற்பதற்காக கேரளாவின் பாலக்காட்டில் இருந்து ஹெலிகாப்டர் மூலம் வந்த பிரதமருக்கு வெற்றிவேல் வீரவேல் என்ற முழக்கங்களை எழுப்பி பாஜக, அதிமுக மற்றும் கூட்டணி கட்சிகள் உற்சாகமாக வரவேற்பு தந்தனர். பின்னர் பேசிய பிரதமர் மோடி வெற்றிவேல் வீரவேல் என்று தன் உரையை தொடங்கினார். உலகிலேயே பழமையான மொழி தமிழ் மொழி. தமிழக மக்கள் இந்தியாவிற்கு என்றும் பெருமை சேர்த்து வருகின்றனர் என்று புகழாரம் சூட்டினார்.
வெற்றிவேல் வீரவேல். வெற்றிவேல் வெற்றிவேல் வெற்றி வெற்றி வெற்றிவேல். CM of Tamil Nadu, Deputy CM of Tamil Nadu, NDA leaders on dais, candidates for the assembly polls, Karyakartas, sisters and brothers of Tamil Nadu. Vanakkam. I feel happy to come to one of the oldest cities of Tamil Nadu. The divinity of the Agastishwarar temple is immense. It draws people from all over the world. This is a region that has given greats like Tirupur Kumaran, Dhiran Chinnamalai, the brave Pollan and Kalinga Rayar. India takes great pride in the culture of Tamil Nadu. One of the happiest moments of my life was when I got a chance to speak a few words in the oldest language in the world, Tamil, at the United Nations.
மரியாதைக்குரிய மாநிலத்தினுடைய முதலமைச்சர், துணை முதலமைச்சர்,
the NDA family seeks your blessing to serve the people of this state. We seek your vote based on a solid agenda of all-round development, inspired by the ideals of MGR and Amma Jayalalitha ji. We want to empower the farmers, poor, youngsters and women of Tamil Nadu. We want to boost connectivity and create opportunities here. I am aware that the people of the region are eagerly awaiting a rail link. The central government is positively looking at that demand. We want to promote Tamil culture and language. That is why we are ensuring technical and medical education is possible in the local language. A vote for NDA is a vote to solve long-standing issues. A prime example is the way the decades-old demand of the Devendra Kula Vellalar community was solved by our alliance.
நண்பர்களே, இன்னும் ஒரு சில நாட்களில் நாம் நம்முடைய புதிய சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர்களை தேர்ந்தெடுக்க இருக்கிறோம். தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணியினுடைய இந்த குடும்பம் உங்களுடைய
or work. All they do is demean others and spread lies. These days, Congress and DMK have launched their outdated 2G missile. This 2G missile has one clear target: the women of Tamil Nadu. A few days back, this missile was launched by UPA with a clear order: attack the Nari Shakti of Tamil Nadu. Today, I am in Dharapuram. I am in a land whose proud sons and daughters never compromised on their ideals and fought against injustice. From here, I want to tell Congress and DMK, please control your party leaders. I want to tell the Congress and DMK, the people of Tamil Nadu are noting everything. They will never tolerate insult to the women of the state. Today, Congress and DMK have insulted the respected mother of Tamil Nadu's Chief Minister. God forbid, if they come to power, they will insult many other women of Tamil Nadu.
நண்பர்களே, ஒருபுறம் தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணி வளர்ச்சிக்கான திட்டத்தை உங்கள் முன்பாக வைக்கிறது. இன்னொரு புறம் திமுக காங்கிரஸ் கூட்டணி அவர்களுடைய குடும்ப வாரிசு அரசியல் திட்டத்தை உங்கள் முன்பாக வைத்திருக்கிறது. அந்த கட்சியில் கூட்டணியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய தலைவர்களுடைய பேச்சிலே அவர்களுக்கென்று இருக்கக்கூடிய ஒரு செயல் திட்டமோ மக்கள்
DMK culture. A few days back, one of the MLA candidate of DMK, Mr. Dindigu Leone, made horrible remarks on women. DMK had done nothing to stop him. The young crown prince of DMK, who is sidelined many senior DMK leaders, he too made horrible remarks. DMK had done nothing to stop him. Never forget 25th March 1989. 25th March 1989. In the Assembly of Tamil Nadu, how did DMK leaders treat Amma Jayalalitha ji? DMK and Congress will not guarantee women empowerment. In their rule, crime against women are up. Local strongmen disturb peace. Friends, the opposition's anti-women mindset is not restricted to Tamil Nadu. Yesterday, in West Bengal, an elderly lady, Shobha Majumdar, lost her life. A few weeks ago, we all saw with horror how goons belong to TMC brutally attack her just because her ideology was different. This has been in the news for a long time. But did Congress show any empathy? Did Congress ally? DMK condemn? Did DMK's ally, the left, condemn such behavior? And did their friends, TMC, with whom they hold strategy, meets in Delhi, show any regret? No, not at all. Pin drop silence among opposition.
நண்பர்களே,
Are inspired by the thoughts and ideals of the great Andal and Avvaiyar. We believe that the progress of society is not complete without empowerment of women. That is why all our schemes are aimed at strengthening our Nari Shakti. The increased toilet coverage under Swachh Bharat mission has helped women. Thanks to the Ujjwala Yojana, over 32 lakh poor or below poverty line households in Tamil Nadu have been given new connections. Under PM Awas Yojana, nearly 3 lakh houses in rural areas have been completed. About 3.8 lakh houses in cities have been completed. In this scheme, it is encouraged to allot the houses in the name of women. This ensures both dignity and empowerment. Under the maternity benefit, under that program, the Pradhan Mantri Matru Vandana Yojana, over 10 lakh women have benefited.
நண்பர்களே, நாங்கள் தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணியினுடைய
Part of the state have always created wealth and value for the nation. The people here are known for their business sense. At the same time, they are known for their remarkable compassion. Through last years, the small, medium and big business of this region went out of their way to help others. I am here to assure you all that my government and me personally are committed to doing everything possible to help business and enterprise grow here.
நண்பர்களே, இந்த கொங்குநாடு பகுதியில் இருக்கக்கூடிய மக்களை நான் பாராட்டுகிறேன். எதற்காக தெரியும்?
India's gains in the World Bank, ease of doing business rankings, the government of India has brought many reforms in the last year. A PLI production link incentive scheme was introduced last December. The coming of a defense corridor in Tamil Nadu will bring many benefits for the people of this state. I can never forget the joy a month ago when I dedicated to the nation a tank made in Tamil Nadu that will protect our nation, our northern borders. Similarly, Tamil Nadu will also have a toy cluster which will show the way in making top quality toys for the world. Friends, our key focus area is the MSME sector. This sector is the backbone of our economy. Our government has changed the criteria for MSME. This has made business easier for a lot of people. Rupees 14,000 crore has been sanctioned for 3.6 lakhs MSMEs in the state. Almost 1.5 lakh people related to the MSME sector have benefited from the interest subvention scheme for MSMEs. 8.5 lakh MSME units have got the benefit of the Credit Guarantee Fund Trust. Our government has taken many measures to end harassment by tax officials.
நண்பர்களே, உங்களுக்கெல்லாம் நன்றாக தெரியும், எளிதா
Eyes of the Congress and DMK will never let business grow like they had done in the past. Their local strongmen will be busy in money collection drives. Due to frequent power cuts, industry could never grow. Friends, one very common theme in the Thirukural is respect for farmers. The Kural says the world must follow the farmers. Farming is the best. It also says farmers are the linchpin of the world, for they support all others who cannot till the land. The agriculture sector is in need for urgent reform and modernization. NDA's priority is the welfare of the small farmer. Our government has initiated reforms that will free the small farmers from the pressure of middlemen. Measures such as soil health card, Kisan credit card, e-Naam schemes are aimed at empowering farmers. In our manifesto, we have promised an annual stipend of rupees 6,000 for fishermen and farmers.
நண்பர்களே, காங்கிரஸ் மற்றும் திமுகவினுடைய ஊழல்
Guided by the mantra of per drop more crop, we are helping farmers transform their cultivation methods. Old irrigation structures are being repaired. New ones are also being built. The government of India has launched the Jal Jeevan Mission. The aim is to provide water to all households. Since the mission began, almost 16 lakh rural households in Tamil Nadu have got access to tap water connection. From the farmland to your homes, every possible effort will be made to ensure adequate water.
நம்முடைய விவசாயத்துறை நீர் பற்றாக்குறை பிரச்சனையை சந்தித்தே வந்து கொண்டிருக்கிறது. அதற்காக என்பதற்காக அந்த விவசாயிகளுக்கெல்லாம் அவர்களுடைய பாசன முறை
I would urge you all to read the BJP manifesto in detail. Together, we will serve you and we will serve you all and fulfill your dreams. We guarantee a better future for your children. Thank you for coming to bless us in such a large numbers. Vanakkam.
நண்பர்களே, உங்களை நான் வேண்டிக் கொள்கிறேன், நீங்கள் பாரதிய ஜனதா கட்சியினுடைய தேர்தல் அறிக்கையை விவரமாக படியுங்கள், கவனமாக படியுங்கள். இந்த மாநிலத்தினுடைய ஒரு மிகச்சிறந்த தொலைநோக்கு பார்வையோடு பல்வேறு மக்களுடைய எதிர்பார்ப்புகளுக்கு ஏற்ப நாங்கள் அதை வடிவமைத்திருக்கிறோம். ஒட்டுமொத்தமாக ஒருங்கிணைந்த குடும்பமாக தேசிய ஜனநாயக கூட்டணி உங்களுடைய கனவுகளை நிறைவேற்றுவதற்காக, உங்களுக்கு சேவை செய்வதற்காக நாங்கள் ஒருங்கிணைந்திருக்கிறோம். நாங்கள் நிச்சயமாக உங்களுடைய குழந்தைகளுடைய பிரகாசமான எதிர்காலத்திற்கு உறுதி கூறுகிறோம்.